Now here's a fix for some garden lights. This is the sort of thing I've packed up, and it was going to cost 20-30 quid for a new light completely, so I thought I'd have a go at changing the LED inside. There's some examples of some other ones. That's the sort of thing talking about. I had 3 of these that went, and I'll show you how I did it. So the 40 garden lights that I just showed you, what I wanted to do was change the LED light panel inside the device, and what I used was one of these, this sort of thing that go in your kitchen ceiling. These are 12 volt LEDs, and what I did was to take this apart and use the parts inside. So that's the sort of thing. So these buy individually or packs of 10, so they're quite cheap. This is what I use. So the 40 LED within the garden lamp, there's that thing there, so it was actually one of the LEDs that was faulty. I thought I could replace that with the contents of one of these bulbs, as I mentioned. So I broke that apart, and in there is this gubbins. So there's a little bridge rectifier there and a regulating power supply to provide 12 volts for this panel here, panel of LEDs. Interesting, because you can put 12 volts in, positive negative or negative positive, or an AC in there, and it regulates it and makes it work. So I took that off and soldered it in place of that, and it works really well. Perhaps you want to do the same.